Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get rid of background color in Microsoft Word. Once you remove the background color from your Word document, whether it's a colored page or watermark, I'll show you how to remove it in just a few simple steps. The first step is to remove the page background color, and to do that just open Word, Document, and then go to Design, and then click on Page Color right here under page background, next to page to watermark, and then select no color. The second step is to remove the highlighted text color, and to do that just select any random color, any random text, the text should be highlighted, so I'm gonna highlight it. This is a highlighted text. Now I'm gonna select it to remove the highlights, and then I'm gonna go here to this text highlight color and click on it, and it will remove the highlights, as you can see. Or you can, as for the third step, is to remove the watermark background, and to do that just go to Design tab and then click on watermark. For example, I'm gonna click on this and I'm gonna add a watermark. And let's go to Design, click on watermark, like this one right here. As you can see, this is the watermark. Now I'm just gonna remove it by clicking on Remove Watermark. Now if the background color still appears, check the header and footer for hidden elements, and for printed documents, ensure Print Background Colors and Images is unchecked in File Options Display. And that's it. That's how you remove the background color in Word, whether it's a colored page, text highlights, or watermark. You can easily clean up your documents. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.